Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Click any layer in the Layers panel, then click the FX icon at the bottom. This opens Layer Styles, a collection of live, editable effects. Choose Drop Shadow to add depth behind an element. Set the angle, distance, and spread to control how the shadow falls. Want a glowing outline? Try Outer Glow and pick a bright color. Stroke adds a crisp border around your layer's content. Bevel and Emboss gives a three-dimensional, carved look. You can stack multiple effects on a single layer. Double-click the FX label anytime to revisit and adjust your settings. To reuse a combination, right-click the layer and choose Copy Layer Style. Paste it onto others in